folks, welcome to Smile Healing Institute channel. Today's topic is quantum computing transformation. What if everything you think you know about reality, about possibility, about the very nature of existence, life itself is about to be completely revolutionized? What if I told you that in laboratories around the world, scientists are building machines that don't just process information, they literally reshape the fabric of space time itself? Right now, while most people are living the past, recycling the same thoughts, creating the same reality, quantum computers are proving that the universe operates on principles so mind bending, so reality shattering that they make science fiction look like yesterday's newspaper. My friends, we are witnessing the birth of a new era, an era where the impossible becomes inevitable, where the boundaries between thought and reality dissolve, where consciousness itself becomes the ultimate technology. But here is what experts won't tell you, what scientists are afraid to admit publicly. Quantum computing is not just about building faster machines, it's about discovering that your consciousness, your awareness, the very being operates on the exact same principle that makes quantum computer seems like magic. Every thought you think creates quantum fluctuation in the field of infinite possibility. Every emotion you feel entangles you with parallel realities. Every belief you had collapse infinite potentials into a singular experience of life. You're not just living in a quantum universe, you are the quantum universe experiencing itself subjectively. For the next few span of 10 minutes, I'm going to take you on the most transformational journey of your life. We are going to explore how quantum computing is proving that reality is far more malleable, far more responsive to consciousness, and far more extraordinary than you ever dared to imagine. But by the end of this session, you will never see yourself, your potential, or your reality the same way again, because you're able to discover that you don't just have the power to change your life, you have the power to quantum leap into entirely different dimensions of existence. Let us understand the quantum foundation. Let me start by taking you inside the most extraordinary machines you ever created by human beings. In research facilities like from IBM to Google, from MIT to Oxford, scientists are working with computers that exist at temperatures colder than outer space, 273 degrees below the zero. While where the normal rules of physics breaks down and quantum magic begins. Picture this. Inside these quantum computers, individual particles of light photons are suspended in perfect isolation. These are not just particles, they are possibility itself, frozen in time, existing in what scientists call superposition. In our traditional computer, information is binary, on or off, one or zero. It's like being forced to paint the Mona Lisa with just black and white. But in quantum computing, a qubit, a quantum bit can be 0, 1, or both simultaneously, but exist in all possible states until the moment of measurement. But here is where it gets absolutely mind blowing. When you have just 300 qubits in superposition, they can represent more possible states than there are atoms in the observable universe. Think about that. More possibilities than atoms in existence. And that's just the beginning. Quantum computers harness something even more mysterious, quantum entanglement. When two particles become entangled, they become a single system. Measure one, and you instantly know everything about the other, regardless of the distance separating them. Einstein called it spooky action at a distance. But what if he didn't realize that he was describing the fundamental interconnectedness of all existence? Now, here is what's going to transform everything you think you know about yourself. Your brain contains approximately 86 billion neurons, and each neuron contains structure called microtubules. Some of the world's leading consciousness researchers are discovering that these microtubules might be operating at biological quantum computers. You heard the right. You might literally be carrying around quantum processing power that makes the most advanced artificial quantum computers look like pocket calculators from the 1980s. But unlike artificial quantum computers that need perfect isolation to maintain their quantum states, your biological quantum computer operates in the warm, wet, noisy environment of your brain. How is this possible? Just contemplate, because consciousness itself might be the most organizing principle that maintains quantum coherence in biological systems. Your awareness, your attention, your focused intention might be nature's way of creating and maintaining quantum states. This means that every time you focus your mind, every time you set a clear intention, every time you visualize with emotional intensity, you're not just thinking positive thoughts, you're literally programming a quantum computer that can access infinite dimensions of possibilities. Let us understand the quantum states of consciousness. Let's dive deeper into how quantum principles manifest in your daily experience. Because once you understand this, you'll never approach personal transformation the same way again. Quantum superposition in your life. In quantum mechanics, particles exist in superposition, multiple states simultaneously until observed in your life. Every goal you set, every dream you hold, every possibility you imagine exists in superposition until you collapse it into reality through your choices and actions. Think about a major decision you're facing right now. In classical thinking, you analyze the options, weighs the pros and cons, makes a logical choice. But in quantum thinking, you recognize that all possible outcomes exist simultaneously in the field of infinite potential. The version of you that chooses path A exists. The version that chooses path B exists. The version that discovers a path C that you have not even imagined it, that exists too. They're all equally real until you collapse that wave function through your decision. But here is the key. Most people collapse their possibilities prematurely through doubt, fear, and limited thinking. They observe their current circumstances and conclude that only certain outcomes are possible. They are like quantum computers with massive interference. A quantum states degrade, decohere before they can access the full spectrum of possibilities. Quantum entanglement in relationships. Have you ever thought of someone and they immediately called you? Have you ever walked into a room and instantly felt the energy shift? Have you ever felt or met someone and felt an immediate, inexplicable connection? That's quantum entanglement operating in your life when you truly connect with other person. When you love them, when you understand them, when you share experience with them, you become quantum entangled. Your states become correlated. What happens to one affects the other instantly, regardless of physical distance. This is why relationships are so powerful for transformation. When you surround yourself with people operating at higher levels of consciousness, you become entangled with their elevated states. Their growth accelerates your growth. Their breakthroughs create resonance fields that makes your own breakthrough more likely. But the opposite is also true. When you spend time with people stuck in victim consciousness and scarcity thinking in fear-based patterns, you become entangled with those states as well. This is why every great transformation teacher throughout history has emphasized the importance of your environment, your relationships, your community. They intuitively understood what quantum physics now proves. We are all connected at a quantum level, constantly influencing each other's possibilities. Let us contemplate the quantum tunneling through limitations. In quantum mechanics, particles can pass through barriers that should be impossible to penetrate according to classical physics. This is called quantum tunneling, and it's not just a laboratory curiosity, it's happening in your life every time you break through a limitation that seemed insurmountable. Every person who has ever achieved something extraordinary has experienced quantum tunneling. They have moved through barriers of circumstances, through walls of limitations, through seemingly impossible obstacles, not by having enough classical energy to overcome them, but by finding the quantum pathway that bypasses them entirely. When you shift your state, when you change your frequency, when you align with possibility itself, you don't have to break down the walls. Your quantum tunnel right through them. Let us reflect upon the quantum computing applications and consciousness parallels. Now, let me show you how quantum computing is already revolutionizing our world and how each breakthrough reveals deeper truths about your own unlimited potential. Quantum drug discovery, your healing potential. Quantum computers can simulate molecular interactions at the quantum level, modeling how potential medicines will interact with disease cells because they have ever synthesized in laboratory. They can explore millions of possible drugs combinations simultaneously, finding cures that would take classic computers centuries to discover. Your quantum brain operates the same way with your health and healing. When you enter elevated emotional states, deep gratitude, unconditional love, profound peace, you're not just feeling good, you're creating quantum coherence in your nervous system that allows your body to access its own healing potential. Just as quantum computers before multiple molecular pathways simultaneously to find optimal drug interactions, your quantum brain can explore multiple healing pathways when you get out of stress and into coherence. The placebo effect, that's your quantum brain finding healing pathways that your logical mind says should be impossible. Spontaneous remissions, that's quantum tunneling through the barriers of medical probability. Quantum artificial intelligence, your intuitive genius. The most advanced AI systems are being enhanced with quantum computing power, allowing them to recognize patterns and make connections that classical computers could never achieve. They can process vast amounts of seemingly unrelated information and suddenly produce insights that revolutionize entire fields of knowledge. Your brain has been doing this naturally for millions of years. Every breakthrough idea, every moment of genius, every flash of intuition is your biological quantum computer processing vast amounts of information below the threshold of consciousness and producing insights that your logical mind could never calculate. The difference is that most people don't trust their quantum processing, they dismiss their intuition, they analyze their insights into depth, they collapse their quantum superposition of ideas into binary thinking before the quantum brain can find the optimal solution. When you have a decision to make instead of immediately jumping into logical analysis, try this. Present the question to your quantum brain and then enter a relaxed meditative state. Let your consciousness exist in superposition, holding all possibilities simultaneously without judgment. Often the answer will emerge not as a logical conclusion but as a felt sense, an inner knowing, a sudden clarity that bypasses analytical thinking entirely, that your quantum intelligence in action. Cryptography, your authentic power. Quantum computers will create unbreakable encryption based on the fundamental laws of physics. Any attempt to intercept or decode quantum encrypted information will be immediately detected because the very act of observation changes the quantum state. This is exactly what happens when you live authentically, when you operate from your true self rather than trying to be what others expect you to be. Your authentic self creates a kind of quantum encryption that cannot be broken by external manipulation or internal self doubt. When you try to be someone you are not, you create quantum decoherence in your life. Your thoughts, emotions, and actions become entangled with false patterns and you lose access to your natural quantum processing power. But when you align with your quantum authentic self, you become quantum encrypted. No external force can shake you because you are operating from quantum truth that exists at such a fundamental level that any attempt to corrupt it is immediately evident. Let us understand the quantum optimization your life's algorithm. Perhaps the most exciting application of quantum computing is optimization, finding the best possible solution from an infinite number of possibilities, traffic flow, supply chain management, financial trading, resource allocation. Quantum computers can optimize complex systems in real time, finding solutions that would take classic computers millions of years to calculate. Your life is a complex optimization problem. You have infinite possible paths, infinite possible choices, infinite possible outcomes. Classical thinking tries to optimize through analysis, planning, and control, but quantum thinking optimizes through alignment, flow, and trust. When you stop trying to figure out everything logically and instead align with your highest vision, raise your emotional frequency, and trust the process, your life naturally optimizes itself. Synchronicities appear, opportunities emerge, resources materialize, people show up exactly when you need them. This is not luck or wishful thinking, it's quantum optimization in action. You're allowing the quantum field of infinite possibility to calculate the optimal path and present to you as you live experience. The quantum transformation protocol. Now we get to the heart of everything. How do you actually harness your quantum nature to transform your life? How do you become the conscious programmer of your own quantum computer? Quantum state preparation, just like quantum computers require precise preparation to achieve and maintain quantum state, you need to prepare your consciousness to access its quantum potential. Environment and design. Quantum computers need isolation from interference. You need to create physical and mental environments that support quantum coherence. This means eliminating energy drains, toxic relationships, negative media consumption, cluttered spaces that scatter your attention. Coherence cultivation. Quantum states are coherent. All parts working in harmony. You achieve coherence when your thoughts, emotions, and actions align with your highest vision. When there is no internal conflict, no mixed signals, no self sabotage. Frequency elevation. Quantum computers operate at specific frequency. Your quantum brain operates optimally at elevated emotional frequencies, love, gratitude, excitement, compassion. They are not just nice feelings, they are the operating frequencies of quantum consciousness. Right now, I want you to do something. Close your eyes and think about your biggest dream, your most audacious goal. Now, instead of thinking about all the reasons it might not happen, I want you to feel the emotions of already having achieved it. Feel the gratitude, feel the excitement, feel a profound fulfillment. You have just prepared your quantum state. You have aligned your consciousness with the frequency of your desired outcome. You have created quantum entanglement between your present moment awareness and your future reality. Quantum superposition living. Most people lived in classical thinking, binary choices, either are decisions, fixed possibilities. Quantum thinking means learning to exist in superposition, holding multiple possibilities simultaneously without collapsing them prematurely. When you set a goal, don't just visualize one path of achievement. See yourself succeeding through multiple pathways simultaneously. Maybe you achieve it through your current career. Maybe you achieve it through a career change you have not even considered yet. Maybe you achieve it through opportunities that don't even exist in your current reality, but will emerge as you move forward. Put all these possibilities in superposition. Don't collapse them by deciding too early which path is realistic or logical. Let your quantum brain explore all pathways and present you with the optimal route as it emerges. Quantum entanglement mastery. Remember, what you focus on, you become entangled with. What you consistently think about, feel about, and pay attention to becomes part of your quantum signature. This is why gratitude is so transformative. When you focus on what you're grateful for, you become quantum entangled with abundance. Your consciousness begin to resonate with the frequency of appreciation, and the universe responded by giving you more to appreciate. This is why successful people seem to attract more success. It's not just mindset, it's quantum entanglement. Their consciousness is entangled with the patterns and possibilities of success. Every morning, instead of checking your phone and becoming entangled with other persons, people's reality, spend the first 20 minutes of your day deliberately entangling with your highest potential. Visualize your ideal day, feel the emotions of living your purpose, connect with the version of yourself who has already achieved your goals. This is not positive thinking, it's quantum programming. You are literally creating entanglement between your current state and your desired state. Quantum measurement and collapse. In quantum mechanics, the act of measurement collapses the wave function, turning infinite possibilities into singular reality in your life. Conscious choice is your act of measurement. But here is what more people get wrong. They try to collapse possibilities through force, through willpower, through grinding effort. That's classical thinking. Quantum collapses happens through conscious choice aligned with elevated emotions. When you choose from fear, from scarcity, from limitation, you collapse possibilities into restricted realities. When you choose from love, from abundance, then from possibility, you collapse the wave function into expanded realities. Before making any significant decision, ask yourself, what would the quantum version of me choose? What would I choose if I knew that infinite possibilities exist? What would I choose if I were operating from pure potential rather than past conditioning? Let that quantum choice emerge from the field of infinite possibility rather than from the database of your past experience. Quantum computing breakthroughs and your unlimited future. Let me paint a picture of what's happening right now in quantum research labs around the world because these breakthroughs are revealing the true nature of reality and your place in it. Quantum supremacy beyond classical limitations. In 2019, Google's quantum computer performed a calculation in 200 seconds that would take the world's most powerful supercomputer 10,000 years to complete. This was not just a faster calculation, it was proof that quantum computers can access ranges of possibility that classical systems can never reach. You have quantum supremacy over your own limitations. These are possibilities available to you, solutions accessible to your quantum consciousness that your logical mind will never be able to calculate or predict. Every person who have achieved something extraordinary have access quantum supremacy. They have made quantum leaps that could not be explained by incremental logical progression. They have accessed possibilities that existed beyond the reach of classical thinking. When people ask Mozart how he composed symphonies, he did not describe the logical process. He said the music came to him complete, all at once, as if downloaded from some infinite source. That quantum supremacy in action, accessing complete solution that bypass analytical thinking entirely. Quantum error correction self-healing system. One of the biggest challenges in quantum computing in maintaining quantum states in the face of environmental interference. Scientists have developed quantum error correction protocols that can detect and quantum correct errors without destroying the quantum information. Your quantum brain has built-in error correction mechanism. When you get knocked off course by setbacks, failures, or extra circumstances, you don't have to start over from scratch. Your quantum consciousness can detect the errors in your thinking and feeling patterns and correct them without losing the quantum information, your vision, your process, your core information. That is why resilience is not just about bouncing back, it's about quantum error connection. When you maintain coherence in the face of challenges, when you stay connected to your highest vision despite temporary setbacks, you're utilizing the same principle that allow quantum computers to maintain their extraordinary processing power. Quantum networking, the global consciousness grid. Scientists are working on quantum internet, a network of quantum computers that can share infinite information instantaneously across any distance. These quantum networks will enable computational power that individual machines could never achieve alone. You're already part of a quantum network, the field of collective consciousness that connects all aware beings. When you raise your own consciousness, you contribute to the collective elevation of human awareness. When you make quantum leaps in your own life, you make it easier for others to access those same possibilities. This is why your personal transformation matters so much. You're not just changing your own life, you're contributing to a quantum network of consciousness that elevating the entire human species. Every breakthrough you make, every limitations you transcend, every moment of expanded awareness you achieve sends quantum information through the collective field, making it accessible to others. Quantum machine learning consciousness evolution. Quantum enhanced artificial intelligence can learn and adapt in ways that mirror the evolution of consciousness itself. These systems do not just process information, they evolve their own understanding, create new categories of knowledge, and develop insights that surpass their original programming. This is exactly what you're capable of. Your consciousness is not fixed. Your intelligence is not limited to what you learned in school. Your potential is not determined by your past experience. Every day, your quantum consciousness can evolve new understanding, create new categories of possibilities, develop insights that transcend your previous limitations. You're not just learning about love, you're evolving new capacities for awareness. You're not just learning about life, new dimensions of intelligence, new possibilities of what it means to be human. Let us now contemplate the final transformation, the quantum leap activation. Activation. We have come to the moment of truth. Everything we have explored has led to this. Your quantum leap activation. This is where theory becomes reality, where possibility becomes experience, where you stop being someone who thinks about transformation and become someone who is transformation. Right now, I want you to make a choice that will define you to the rest of your life. Are you going to continue living as a classical being, limited by past experience, constrained by logical analysis, trapped in binary thinking? Or are you ready to embrace your true nature as a quantum being capable of existing in superposition, of accessing infinite possibilities, or quantum tunneling through any limitations of entangling with realities that have not even manifested yet? Now, close your eyes. Take 3 deep breaths. With each breath, you're entering deeper quantum coherence. Now, I want to see yourself existing in pure superposition. You're simultaneously the person you have been, the person you're becoming, your infinite version of who you could be. Don't collapse this superposition, hold it. Feel the infinite potential flowing through your consciousness. Now, quantum entangle with your highest possible future. See that version of yourself fully actualized, completely aligned, living your ultimate purpose. Feel their emotions, experience their reality. You're not imagining this, you are creating this quantum entanglement across time and space. Now comes the quantum measurement, the conscious choice that collapses infinite possibilities into your new reality. From this superposition of infinite potential, choose the future that serves not just your happiness, but your highest evolution. Choose the timeline where you become everything you are capable of being. Feel that choice reverberating through every cell in your body. You have just reprogrammed your quantum consciousness. You have just a quantum leaped into your new timeline of possibilities. Open your eyes. The world looks the same, but you're not the same. You have activated your quantum nature. You have accessed possibilities that did not exist 5 minutes ago. Here is what happens next. You're going to start noticing synchronicities, opportunities that align with your new quantum signature, people who resonate with your elevated frequency, resources that support your quantum leap appearing exactly when you need them. This is not luck. This is not coincidence. This is quantum mechanics operating through your consciousness. For the next 30 days, I challenge you to live as a quantum being, hold multiple possibilities in superposition instead of collapsing into limiting beliefs, entangle with elevated emotions, and expanded visions daily. Trust your quantum intelligence over your analytical mind. Make choices from possibility rather than probability. Maintain coherence in the face of any interference. The quantum computing revolution is not happening in laboratories, it's happening in consciousness, it's happening in you, it's happening right now. You're not just a person learning about quantum computing, you are a quantum computer becoming conscious of your own infinite processing power. The future does not happen to you, it happens through you. And when you operate as the quantum being you truly are, you don't just adapt to the future, you compute it into existence. The age of limitation is over, the age of quantum consciousness has begun, and you are the technology that will transform everything. Quantum leap into your destiny. The universe is waiting to compute your dreams into reality. If this transforms how you see your reality and your potential, share it with someone who is ready for their own quantum leap. And subscribe if only resonates for more consciousness, expanding content, and more. Comment below with your quantum breakthrough experiences over the next 30 days. The quantum field is listening, your future self is waiting. It's time to quantum leap into the extraordinary life you came here to live. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video.